Hello, everybody. I'm sorry I was not able to see your chats because it was made for kids and I was not able to see the chat. So I had to disconnect and then come back. So you all joined. How was your day? If someone is hi. If you could message me, I will understand who is joined. One person has joined and he's put a like also. Rajiv has joined. Hi Rajiv. How are you? Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining and coming on time. There are 3 people who can also say a hi so that I'll understand who's joined. Hi Rajiv. Hi Vijay. Yeah, yes, I know you know that. There are there are 4 people. Hi Hi Rohit. Nice, good to see you. You're also on time. Hi Shweta. So 4 likes, 3 have joined. We'll see who's the other people who have joined. He's still busy watching TV. Kalayarasi Shivakumar.
Busy watching TV.
Hi Kalayarasi. Can I know the kid's name, please? You can type your name. Archana, Atiksh has joined. Hi Atiksh. Kalayarasi, you can type your child's name. Hi Anand and Chinmaya. Okay, daughter's name is Chinmaya, no? Second standard, probably third standard. Hi auntie, I'm Rakshita. Rakshita, what is your? I'll delete your name. Okay. Okay, I'll remember. I've deleted your name. Which class are you in? Which class, Rakshita? Prabha Lata. Hi auntie, my name is Rahul. Amli Mama has also replied. Hi everybody. Kids, if you can tell me which class are you in so that I can. Third standard Chinmayak, grade 2, Prabha, hi. Hi Rahul, and I'll just write down your names. Rakshita, Kalayarsi is Rakshita and Rahul, right? Archana also grade 2. I'm 5. Um, Prabha, you mean to say is you're 5, he's 5 years old or he's in grade 5? Okay, I'll delete those messages with the numbers. That is not accepted by YouTube, so I'll remove it. Don't mind me. Um, I'm sorry for deleting these messages. Grade 5. Okay. Okay, Rahul, you're in grade 5. Okay. Fine. I'll just remove those messages with numbers. You should not use caps also. Those messages I'll delete. Okay. Don't mind me. I'll be deleting those messages. I'm sorry for that. Okay. Shall we wait for someone to join or shall we start? Okay. How was your Pongal? How did you all enjoy your Pongal? How was it? What did you all do for Pongal? Okay. Since Pongal was there, I'll ask a question related to Pongal. Pongal is a dash festival. Okay. Till someone comes, we'll have to do something. No, so we'll have a simple questions now. Pongal is a dash festival. Okay, Rajiv, I'll delete that message. Okay. Harvest festival. Rakshita has answered harvest festival. Others also can answer. It is not that only one has to answer. Pongal is a eating Pongal festival. Ambli Mama has replied, it's a eating festival. Lavanya has replied, yes, we eat Pongal on Pongal. Rajiv is also replied as harvest. Okay, we'll wait for someone to join. Farmers Festival. Yeah, it's celebrate. It is a harvest. It is called the Harvest Festival. Okay, it is called the Harvest Festival because is because new crops are harvested during that festival and during the season. And since we are in Tamil Nadu, the major crop is rice. Okay, that is the season to harvest rice. So it is called the Harvest Festival. Okay, since it's the beginning, we'll be asking you simple questions. After that, we all move on to something interesting for you. You all know Tom and Jerry, right? Harvest Festival. Shweta has also answered Harvest. Yeah, fill in. This is also I fill in the blanks. What you will use in the it is am, is, are. Okay, you have to use is or are or am. Okay, Tom and Jerry dash cartoon characters. Tom and Jerry Tom and Jerry dash cartoon characters. You have to write is, are or am. Yes, yes, everybody is good at grammar. Naveen Narayanan. Hello, Naveen. Can you help me with the kid's name, please? Hi, my home. Hello, sir. There's a quiz happening for kids. Bhuvaneshwari is also answered R. Naveen and Bhuvaneshwari, if you could tell me your kid's name, it would be easy for me to represent them. Malasa, thanks for joining. I'll delete the kid's name. You just reply me with their name and their grade. She dash a taxi driver. What you'll write? Is, am, or. She dash a taxi driver. Yeah, is a taxi driver. Is the right answer. Everybody put a like when before you will join. Just put go move out from the live chat, press like, and then join in live chat. Mm. Hello. Yeah, thank you all. Is the right answer. She is a taxi driver. Is the right answer. I think everybody is very good at grammar. Okay. Next, we will move on to the next question. Now we'll get serious. Okay, you all are good to know. Now we'll go on to grammar, not grammar, history. Who is called the first citizen of a country? Who is called the first citizen of a country? Hi, Joe. Thank you. Thanks for joining, Joe. All the elder kids can answer. Who's called the first citizen of the country? Sahana. Okay, Bhuvneshwari Sahana has joined. Thank you, Bala sir. It's my pleasure joining the group, the quiz. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, President. Atish has replied as President. Prabha has also replied as President. I mean, it should be Rahul, right? Rahul has replied as President. Yes. Please repeat the question. Who is called the first citizen of a country? Rohit is asked to repeat the question. Yeah, it's for kids because um, because I don't want to interrupt in between because children are very happily, eagerly replying to the questions. So thanks, Bala sir. You will be part of the quiz just listening. Thank you. Thank you so much. President. President is the right answer. Okay, Rahul, your first answer was right. President is the right answer, not Prime Minister. President is the first citizen of a country. Any country, the president is called the first citizen. Okay, who is the first citizen of our country now? The present first citizen of our country. Thank you, Bala sir. Thank you. Who? I'll ask you a direct question. Who is the president of our country now? The first citizen of our country. Come on, kids. Have I asked you all a very difficult question? Yes, Rahul has replied. We'll wait for others' reply also, Rahul. Rajiv has also replied. Ramnath Govind. Vijay has said he doesn't know. Ramnath Govind is the president of our country. Okay. A place between two mountains. There will be a slope like thing, no? Between two mountains. Ramnath Govind. Yes, Shakti Kindergarten. I mean, Shweta has also replied as Ramnath Govind. Very good. Okay. The president of a country is called the first citizen of the country, and the present president of our country is Mr. Ramnath Kovind. Okay, you have to. There is a place between two mountains or hills. What is it called? A place between two mountains or hills is called. What is it called? Ramnath Kovind. Yes, Rohit, your answer is right. A place between two. How are you? Thanks for joining. Yes, I'm seeing the answers. We'll wait for others also to answer. A place between two hills or mountains is called. Yeah, it is called the valley. Okay, if you all don't know, now you'll learn, right? A place between two mountains or hills is called a valley. Okay, Rajiv has replied. Okay, shall we move on to the next question? Okay, you can see the plants and trees all are in green color, right? The leaves of the plant and trees are in green color. What makes it green? The leaf of a plant or a tree is green. There's a substance in the, yeah, Rohit, valley is the right answer. There's a substance presence in this is called no no no, no Rahul. The plants look green, right? The leaf of the plant looks green. There's something present in the leaf that makes the leaf look green. What is that? You're not supposed to send smileys and I think I'll remove it. Okay, not roots. Root is not the answer. Okay, if others can answer. No, not water, not sun. Yes, Rakshita has replied. We'll wait, Rakshita. Your answer is right. And Rajiv's answer is also right. We'll wait for others. Okay. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the answer. This is a substance called chlorophyll present in the leaves that makes the leaf look green. Okay. Now, chlorophyll. Repeat the question. Mr. Kumar has asked to repeat the question. I'll repeat it. A substance present in the leaf which makes it look green. What is a substance present that makes the leaf look green was the question. Okay, Mr. Kumar, you can reply your kid's name, so that kid's name and the age or the class which he is studying, so that the questions will be asked accordingly. Okay, I'll move on to the next question. It's a very, very easy question for you all. A month which has 28 days. Yeah, Rohit, correct. Chlorophyll is the answer. We moved on to the next question. A month which has only 28 days. Every month has 28 days. Yeah, Joe, I know you're passive. Thank you so much for joining. I second standard. Okay. Mr. Kumar, I'll have to delete these messages because these has capital letters and numbers. I'll delete it. Don't mind me. Otherwise, I know this kid called Sai of second standard. February, yes. Others, the month which has only 28 days. Yeah, Rakshita has also replied. Yes, Rakshita, your answer is right. Yeah, Shweta, chlorophyll is the answer for the earlier question. You're right, Shweta. I'm not asking about the year, Kanna. I'm asking about the month. Which month has, yeah, you've answered, right? You already answered. Sai is also answered. Yeah, if you, no, leap year will not have 28 days. Leap year will have 366 days. That month, February will have 29 days. Okay, generally February has 28 days. In a leap year, you will have 29 days and February, and that is called leap year. Feb. Yes, you all are right. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. You know, there are two genders. Okay, one is a male and a female. What do we call male is masculine? Okay, it is called a masculine gender, and female we called feminine gender. You know that? You know masculine gender and feminine gender? Two genders. Not only humans, every animal, birds, everything has genders, right? Male and female. Male is called the masculine and female is called the feminine, right? Okay. Now I'll ask you a few questions. I'll tell you a few. You'll have to tell me which is, it is a masculine or a feminine gender. You don't have to type the whole word, because you might make spelling, you might not be very familiar with the spelling. So you just write F or M. That is fine with me. Okay. Grandfather is a masculine gender or a feminine gender? Grandfather. You'll have to just reply as M or F. Yes, Chinmay is replied. Grandfather. Yes, you all are right. Rahul is right. Sai is right. Chinmay is right. Rakshita is also right. Okay. We'll move on to the next one now. Okay. Peacock. Peacock is a masculine gender or a feminine gender? Yes, Rajiv. Yes, Rajiv, Rahul, and Chinmay, Sai, everybody has answered it as masculine. Yes. Peacock is a masculine gender. What is the feminine gender of a peacock? Yes, Shweta has also answered as masculine, correct? What is the feminine gender of a peacock? Can anyone tell me what is the feminine gender of a peacock called? My name Chinmaya auntie. Okay, I said Chinmayi, is it? I'm sorry, Chinmaya. Male, correct. Masculine is correct. Rohit. What is the female gender? I mean, feminine gender of a peacock is called. Only Sai is replied. I'm sorry. Sai is replied. Rahul has replied. Rakshita has replied. Rajiv replied and he deleted. Okay. Peahen. Peahen is the right answer. A female peacock is called a peahen. The feminine gender of a peacock is called a peahen. Okay. Daughter is a feminine gender or a masculine gender? Daughter. Yes, Rajiv and Rakshita has answered. I may come in. Yes, please. You can tell your daughter's name and grade so that we can question. That's okay. You're late. That's okay. You, yeah, you tell your daughter's name and her age so that it will be easy for us to question. No, lioness is a female. Lion is a masculine gender. Lioness is a feminine gender. Peahen. Okay. Rohit, I think you are hearing me very late, I believe, right? Okay, I'm sorry. We Darshini or age 10. Okay. I'll remove this because her name is there. So I'll just remove it and the number also. I'll remember that Darshini is here. Lioness is a feminine gender. Sorry. I've asked about daughter, right? I'm sorry. Daughter is a feminine gender. That was my next question. So by mistake, I thought I asked about lioness. Okay, now you all tell me lioness is a masculine gender or a feminine gender? Lioness. Lioness, Kana, lioness. Not lion, lioness. Yes, lioness is a feminine gender and lion is the masculine gender. Okay, very good, very good. I can see if you all don't know any answer, it is okay. Okay, because you will learn from others. The others are replying. I will also tell you so that you will know new things. Okay, don't worry if you all don't know the answer. Okay, there is a big, the largest statue, lioness, female. Yes, right, Rahul, you're right. Biggest statue in India. There's a new statue which is built up. So it is the biggest statue in India. Which statue is that? He's a freedom fighter. Freedom fighter statue called the largest one in India. Which is that? Which statue is that? Srinath. Hi Srinath. How are you? Thanks for joining, Srinath. Yes. Yes, Darshini has answered it right. We'll wait for others also. Jhansi Rani, no, Kanan, Jhansi Rani is not the right answer. Okay, I'll give you. Thanks, Srinath. You're fine. Okay, I'll give you a hint. However, Darshini is replied, and Srinath also. I'll just give you a hint so that we'll see if we can find out. I told you it's a male, masculine. Okay, he's a freedom fighter. Is the first clue. The second clue is he's called the Iron Man of India. He's called the Iron Man of India. So you will have answered. I'm not disclosing the answer. I'll wait for others also to reply. Yeah, Rakshita has also answered. Yes, Sati, I think you're hearing me slow, very late, right? You sit in a place where your signal is full, your Wi-Fi or your mobile data signal. Okay, you press that live thing, Rohit. Press the live button on the screen so that you can hear me immediately. Okay, just press live. It will be red. If it is red, then it means you're on. I think Shakti is also hearing me too very late. Masculine gender or a feminine? Silence. Okay. Yeah, the answer is Sardar Vallabhai Patel. He is known as the Iron Man of India. Okay, there is a name for the statue. Okay, the statue of Dash. Okay, I don't want you all to answer it today. You all check and keep it ready. The next thing, next live, you all are finding it out and telling me. Okay, the statue of Dash. Sardar Vallabhai's statue is called the statue of Dash. Okay, next question. We'll move on to the next one. What is our national song? National song? Srinath has replied. We'll wait for others, Srinath. Janaganamana is not the national song, it's the national anthem. There are two things. One is national anthem and one is national song. Okay, there's a difference between those two. Janaganamana is the national anthem. Okay, I'm asking about the national song. National song. If you all don't know, replies as no, you don't know. Something like that so that I can answer you. Okay, I can tell you the answer if you all don't know. Yeah. Vande Mataram. There's a song called Vande Mataram. You all today YouTube it and listen to it. Yes. It is called the national song, Vande Mataram. Okay, listen to it. It is very important. We all only sing national anthem. We forget the national song. Okay, try and learn it because it's our country's song. No, you all should know, right? Okay, try listen to it. If you all cannot memorize it, just listen to it 3-4 times so that you'll remember. Okay, Srinath and Darshini and Rohit has answered it correct. Vande Mataram is the right answer. We'll move on to the next one. A doctor who treats your teeth. Yeah, Rahul is also replied. A doctor who treats your teeth is called. Yes, Rakshita, you're right. Rakshita is right. Srinath is right. Rohit is right. No, it is called dental doctor is not the right answer. It is called the dentist. Yeah, Darshini, I'm sorry. Darini. Okay, I'm sorry. I said it as Darshini. I'm sorry, Darini. Yeah, I deleted your name. No, that is why I forgot. Okay, I'll remove your name. I'll remember that you are Darini. Okay. Dentist is the right answer. Okay. Or we need different minerals, protein, fats, all that for bodybuilding, correct? We need everything. We need to have a balanced diet. Why do we need carbohydrates? Why do we need carbohydrates? We need carbohydrates in our food that we eat. Why do we need carbohydrates? Yes, for energy, for energy, for energy. Rohit, Rahul, and Rakshita has answered it as for energy. Yes, you're right. The foods which are present with carbohydrates gives us energy. Okay, give me some example. Give me one example of food which is rich in carbohydrates. Yes, Shweta, you're right. To get energy, we need carbohydrates. Give me one food, one food that has a lot of carbohydrates, that is rich in carbohydrates. A food which is rich in carbohydrates. Yes, rice and potato, correct. Rakshita, Rohit, and Rahul, you're right. Sugar does not have carbohydrates. Sugar has glucose. Potato, correct. Potato is also the right answer. No, Kana, sugar has glucose, not carbohydrates. Glucose also gives you energy, but carbohydrates helps you in bodybuilding also. Okay. The energy we giving food is carbohydrates. Okay, you have carbohydrates present in rice, wheat, cereals, pasta, and bread, and all that has lot of carbohydrates. That is why we eat breakfast, a full meal breakfast as either dosa, idli, and all, because it has carbohydrates. A morning energy, we should have carbohydrates. Okay, give me tell me an example of a food product which is rich in calcium. You eat many foods, no? There are foods which are rich in calcium. What are those? Any one example? Yes, correct. Milk. Rakshita, Rohit, and Rahul has replied as milk. All milk products has calcium. You can eat curd, butter, cheese. Yeah, of course, paneer. Vijay has replied it as paneer. Yes, paneer also has lot of calcium. Okay, paneer is our favorite, no? Wherever we go, whenever we go to restaurants, we order paneer. No, paneer is rich in calcium. Yeah, yeah, Dharini is also replied it as milk. So you all drink milk every day? Yes. Shweta has also replied it as milk. You all are right. All milk products are rich in calcium. Okay, now an easy question for the little kids. What is the baby of a cat is called? Baby of a cat. Cheese, fish, and banana. Bananas are rich in potassium. And other dairy products, soya. Yes, good, Shweta. I think you have read. Yeah, kitten. Kitten is the right answer. Baby of a cat is called a kitten.